Monopoly Cash Grab. How to play. The object of the game is to have the most cash. Place the spinner where everyone can reach it. Shuffle the money and chance cards. Lift the lid of the money blaster, then the clip inside. Then place the deck inside, beneath the clip, and then close the lid. Place the blaster on the spinner. The youngest player spins the money blaster. When it stops spinning, whoever the arrow points to, that player picks up the blaster, points it in the air above all the players, and holds down the trigger. Some versions require you to press the trigger one time for it to fire. The blaster will stop on its own. If the spinner lands between two players, then spin again. After the blaster is fired, all the players then race to pick up all the money and chance cards. Once all the cards have been picked up, then the player returns the blaster to the spinner and spins it, and wherever the arrow lands, that player fires the blaster in the same way. This process repeats until a player pulls the trigger and no more cards shoot out, then the game ends. Then the player with the most cash wins. You can play chance cards at any time except when the blaster is spinning. Simply read the chance card aloud, then place it in a discard pile and do what it says. When the game ends, you may not play any unplayed chance cards. Keep your chance cards and your cash separate, because when a chance card makes you swap stacks, you will swap your cash but not your chance cards. If bills stick out of the blaster, leave them there. But if the blaster gets jammed, then remove the money, fan them out, then put them back.